Hi guys, welcome to Gritty's. Saturday night, like usual, working on cars, doing the same shit I always do. 4 pans in the car, ground, could do a little bit of wire brushing, and I'll do some edge priming tonight. Already started, so I need to do the battery tray. I've done all in there. Pardon me. And all down in there. What we are doing is lashing the roller cam, and I found that the cam locator doesn't, the little piece that slots in here was a little worn, so I'm actually remaking it. So some stuff you have to add to. So this is what we're doing. Tigged it up, file it off, and I get it so it'll just slip in really tight. Hopefully the cams won't move then. One of the cams had turned a little. It was still on its oil holes, but not good. Lashed it down a bit tighter than normal. It's around the 10th hour mark now, so 0.25, which is good. So it should make it a little more down low. So we'll see how it goes when it's cold as well, because this thing also pops and farts a little when it's cold. Got all the jets and stuff that I need now, so I might do a little bit of tuning tonight. We'll see how we go. But yeah, going to have it out at the airfield out at Woodside tomorrow, so we'll go out early in the morning and take it out and pop the bonnet. I might take it and wash it tonight. Yeah, thanks guys. Hope you have a good day, and if you are out and about tomorrow, you can catch up with us and have a look at the M20, even if it's just to come and say hello. Alright, so you have a good Saturday night.